Back to my channel. My name is Hooja, and today we are barefaced and we doing some hairstyles today. So honestly, this is with Outre's Big Beautiful Hair collection. I have two different types of curly patterned hair. Okay, two different styles, two different colors, a bunch of hairstyles. Actually, it's really just like four, but four hairstyles that are super cute, super great for summer because they're all curly and they really are affordable. They're not human, but they are really close to it because this is a human hair premium blend. So that just means like it's still synthetic, but it's a higher quality of synthetic hair. So I just want to tell y'all that I am feeling myself today, like feeling myself with every hairstyle. My friends over at Outre sent me this hair to review for you all, but you know how I feel about Outre clip-ins hair. Like, I love them so much and I love their products, so I'm all for it. Y'all know I would never like tell you guys to get something and I wouldn't wear it myself. I legit wear these all the time. I will even show you pictures. I got proof, baby. So we're just gonna get right into the tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys how to style your hair, different techniques to do. This is quick styling, ladies. Like, when I mean quick, it's like 5 minutes or less putting these bad boys in. So I'm so excited to show y'all what I was cooking up back here. We are just gonna get started. We're gonna jump right in and I'm excited to show you guys these styles. So my hair has already been slicked down. So I use the Extreme Wet Line Gel, and then I also use the Style Factor. And now I'm just gonna put a wrap strip on just so that my hair is nice and sleek, even though I'm about to do like 10 different styles. If you guys want a more detailed tutorial, I have lots of clip-ins. I can always make another detailed tutorial as well. But for now, we're just gonna keep rolling with the hairstyles. First, you wanna grab your clip-in. I don't wanna lie to y'all. I think it's like S1B30. So it's gonna be a black and brown mixture. So I'm just gonna start adding in the clip-ins. So in order to do the half up, half down without any leave out, you want to wrap the top part of your hair into a little mini bun. And this is how none of your hair is going to show. So just get that bun as small as possible. If you have thicker hair, try to braid it. That might be easiest. But that's how little the bun should be because you're gonna have to like hide your hair as well. What's gonna go on the back of your head is the clip-ins. But what I did was I just flat twisted my hair. I can't braid to my scalp. I don't know what type of black girl I am, a struggling one. But you can either braid the back of your hair or you can twist it, whatever works for you. And then just put it like in a small bun, pin it up. That's what I did. And all you need is your clip-ins. It honestly doesn't matter which ones you use, but I love Outre's clip-ins. Like, I wear them all the time. It's kind of scary. But what you're going to do is you're going to take the smaller clip-ins. You should have 9 pieces when it comes to the Outre clip-ins, or just clip-ins that you're using in general. You want to use the smallest towards the like bottom of your hair. So you're going to open the clips. This is what they look like. So this is the open, this is the close, open, close. You want them to be open when you're placing them on your head. Just take the clip-ins, and you can honestly just place them anywhere. I like to place them right above my bun, and I just like to clip them in. And I'm just gonna take another one and honestly just place it like right on top of the other. So you're gonna open them again, and then all you have to do is just place it right on top. And you're just gonna place them like right above those clips. All right, so then we're gonna take one that maybe has 3 or 4 clips at the top, and you want them evenly spaced. when you're doing this. Once you start getting closer to the top, you want to make sure that you're choosing ones that are a little bit longer in length. So the longer pieces that have maybe 4 to 5 combs on them. And now we're getting closer to the top. So what you want to do is take the like middle clip and put it exactly in the middle, as close as that line gets to like the part. So now we're getting closer to this side. So you just want to place it like kind of behind your ear onto where that part was. And now look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. And I always get a lot of compliments on these clip-ins. Like, people always think they're mine. And it's so funny because I never have any hair out. Like, you would never be able to tell. But the easiest way to do this is to place a clip in up top. So what you're gonna do is just kind of hook them in where your little bun is and kind of like clip them in and fold them over. So now you kind of have one piece. That's like your first piece to your half up, half down. I like to pull that hair forward, and I like to put this in backwards. So you're gonna take it facing yourself. So the clips are gonna be facing you, and then you just hook it in backwards. I have paint on my hair. And then just clip it in that way. I actually do have a couple of short clips. So I actually cut this clip because I was using it as a bang. But what you want to do is take it could be the 2-piece, it could be like longer, but remember I cut these into bangs. So I'm just gonna kind of place it right on top so that it can kind of be, and I'm placing this on my bun, like the actual bun that we made. That way it's kind of just big and out there. We have all of this hair for our like top part of our hair. So what you want to do is kind of take like a middle piece or an actual piece from this top part and just wrap it around. You're going to want to wrap it around the base of this pony. And this is a lot easier than doing anything else, like adding hair. All you have to do is really just hide those clips. You're just going to want to bobby pin that back. And boom, you have a cute little half up, half down. What I'm going to do is hide that bun in the middle. And all you have to do is take a bobby pin and kind of clip that hair to your bun. That way it kind of hides it. Now you don't see it anymore. To make this like top half a little bit fuller, I like to kind of tease the clip ends. And sometimes I like to add scrunchies to my look. It really hides all of the tracks. And this is really all you have to do. Boom, first hairstyle done, okay? And it's one of my favorite hairstyles like ever. And if you wanted to do the top knot, and this is like one of the easier ways, is literally just like wrapping it around and then you have your top knot. It's going to be harder to kind of like hide your tracks because you don't have any leave out, but you can always do this style, just kind of twist it around. And then it's still a cute half up, half down. But your tracks are gonna be seen if you do it this way. I don't advise you to do it this way, but if you want to, like, it's fine. Like, who is gonna judge? Your hair is super full, none of my hair is out, so it's just like, if you wanna have your hair out, it'll be twice as big, but this is no hair out, like none, okay? Except for this part, of course. Next is gonna be something a little different. So in order to do this next style, you will easily just do the same thing with the clip-ins. Part your hair in the middle because we are doing space buns. In order to do this hairstyle, you do need to have a little bit of your hair out just to cover up the tracks. I know that's such a buzzkill, but you do need to at least take some hair out. Just want to make sure that your part is as straight as possible. Flick down your hair, and I'm still using my Wetline Extreme Gel, and I'm gonna use a rubber band. You can also grease up these rubber bands with some oil just to protect your hair, just in case you are wearing the style for a couple days, but I don't suggest sleeping in your clip-ins. It's not good for your hair. So now that it's nice and secure, I'm gonna do the other side. I like to twist or braid each pigtail or each bun, and we are gonna add in some tracks, baby. Attach. So you're gonna make sure that they're open. Make sure that they're open. You're gonna attach. I mean, you could do it two ways technically. So you can put the clips here and just kind of hook them into your little bun. What you're gonna do is wrap it around. Wrap it around. Ouch. So sometimes I like to take a rubber band, or I just like to take clips or bobby pins and easily just clip them inside. But for volume, I like to use rubber bands. And what I like to do is kind of just manipulate it around the bun, and I really make sure that that base is secure. So there you have it. Look, little buns. Little freaking buns, baby. This hairstyle also doesn't have any like hair out, so you might want to just kind of hide the tracks by kind of teasing it at the root of the track. What, sis? Who are you talking to? So I'm gonna do another style. I don't know how well this is gonna go down, but I got y'all. I'm actually gonna use the new clip-ins. The next style is gonna be a little bit different, just in case you want to spice it up a little bit, you know, for summer. I'm going to talk about the clip-ins a little bit as well. This is Outre's Big Beautiful Hair. Love this so much. It's one of my faves, even though they are synthetic. They say it's a human hair premium blend, you know, but of course that does mean that it's just good quality synthetic hair, and that's a great thing. So this set comes with 9 pieces. This blends perfectly with curly and textured hair, so it's perfect for us ladies, you know. It creates longer and fuller looks, limitless quick styling possibilities. So I've done half of these styles in under 10 minutes, which is great. They're available in a variety of colors, which is really, really great. It also teaches you how to install the clips. So if you don't think that you got a good tutorial out of me, you know, you can always look on the back of the package and it shows you exactly what you need to see. So it shows you everything. There are different types of styles. So this is the 4A Kinky Curly, and then I also have the Coily Fro. So I'm gonna do another hairstyle just so that you guys can see these clips in action, but this is my favorite like go-to color and style, y'all. Literally my favorite. You would never think this isn't my hair. Like, you can't, this ain't my hair, like, sis. And I do also have other videos that feature actual hair being left out, so I'm gonna link those up above. So definitely just click that card up there because it'll show you how to style your hair with leave outs. These styles did not have leave out, so it's a lot easier on us folk who don't have certain textures of hair. We are gonna start doing this. I'm excited. Now that our clip-ins are in, okay honeys, we will be doing a swoop bang. Like, it's gonna be like a swoop up, half up, half down, you feel me? I already kind of parted my hair. I put so much gel into my hair for this tutorial. I hope y'all love it. In order to do this style, I'm gonna have to like mold my hair. Like, some of it's gonna have to go up and then the other is gonna come up. So all you have to do is really just get some of your bangs down there. All we have to do is really just separate a piece of our bangs and then kind of just swoop it there for ourselves. So I'm just gonna smooth out the part that's actually going up. Am I like the first YouTuber to use this much gel in a video? Maybe. And then all we have to do is just slick this down, honeys. So these are literally just my bangs. And all we have to do is really just either bobby pin it and really just mold it how we want it to be in order to really secure this style. Any of these styles, definitely use a wrap strip, use a scarf to really seal in that gel, really seal in that moisture, lay them edges. We're gonna actually take this part of our hair, we're gonna twist it into a bun, a small bun if possible. Definitely braid it, twist it, whatever you want to do. All right, so it's pretty small up there. It's chilling. So I have the 3 little guys left. 3 little guys. The 3 clip-ins left. We might not need all of them, but oh, we finna use them all. We about to have a full head, baby. Full head of hair. Ooh, this slick back looking kind of cute. So I'm gonna put like 1 right on top, and then I'm actually gonna put another one right on top. And honestly, it really doesn't matter where you place them as long as they're actually clipped in. You're gonna take a piece of that hair and you're gonna wrap this around the base just so that it looks very secure, okay? And it's gonna be super cute. Just wanna make sure everything looks nice and neat. And then we're just gonna tuck that in the back. And you could have used any part of the hair. Actually, this one might be my fave. I'm not gonna tease it as much because I really want my hair to like not be that big. I'm trying to keep it to like a medium big. But yeah, this is another hairstyle with the clip-ins. Actually, this one might be my legit fave. Like, this is cute as hell. Super natural. The only part of your hair that's actually out is your bangs. So if you don't have long bangs, this might not be the style for you, but sis, this is a look. These are the Coily Fro. So if you guys like these a lot more, definitely get them. I'm gonna link all the things that I have down below for you. But when I tell you this is cute, like, all right, ladies, I have one more style to do. And this one's gonna be kind of similar because I kept this bang. But we're gonna be doing like a rubber band hairstyle. I wish I had colored rubber bands. Like, that would have been so cute. But I don't. We're gonna suction off some of that hair. There are so many rubber band hairstyles out there. But we're just gonna be doing a simple 2 style. And I'm just gonna divide this in half. Or like less than half. And we are going to rubber band these together. If your hair can't take too much tension, I wouldn't advise to do this style. But I will take another rubber band and just combine the 2 so that like they're kind of connected and cute. And then we're just gonna put that in a pony. But look, super cute already. What? And we're just gonna take some hair and just wrap it around. These were super fun and exciting to do. This is Outre's Big Beautiful Hair Collection. And like, this one matches my hair a lot more and it just looks so natural. Thank you guys for watching. This video was so much fun to make because I was just like, I'm about to slay every single style. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna have everything listed down below for you. Pricing, everything down below. So make sure you read the description. And yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will be back with more videos.